Hello friends, today we want to teach how to use the heat shrink to revive the USB charging cable. As you can see, I have a damaged iPhone charger cable. You can see here and here. Normally we use electrical tape, but using the electrical tape has its own problem, and I suggest you use heat shrink. For this iPhone charging cable, I use number 6mm heat shrink. Now it's time to activate the heat shrink. Well, friends, our work is finished, and this type of repair offer you better quality, and you revive your cable, and you don't need to buy a new charging cable. Thank you very much and goodbye.